This is me. Hi, my name is Kyoko. 2 seconds from this moment, wait, hold. See it? You seeing it? That is the moment, guys, when I had the brilliant idea to make this video. Okay, how to make a tea. Let's roll. And that's actually how I got my idea. It's quite the glow up overnight, huh? Double chinned in bed with the ice cream stain on my shirt. Anyway, you guessed it, we're making a tea. And that's literally all you need to get started. An idea from anywhere. Don't go to be Alexander McQueen, although that would be nice, yes. So with no further ado, my name is Kyoko. Welcome to my channel. Let's roll. After this seriously ridiculous but very real struggle to get into my chair, thank God, you're probably wondering, Kyoko, what is this weird made-up word you're referring to? Smart people use words like outline, skeleton, or in the arts, vision boards or inspo. Inspo. I should have called this inspo. Nevertheless, this is the part where you sketch out your ideas roughly, experiment colors, ideas, and I find it really helps if you get together a little bit of a Pinterest board and put together a bunch of images. Especially for clothes, you kind of want to go for an aesthetic so it's easier to style later. Now this is the part where we dive into the internet. Pun intended. As you probably would have guessed, you're sadly going to need a tea. I didn't have any plain ones at home that I specifically wanted to design with, so I bought some from online. When it comes to picking a tea, it's important to remember that the whole thing is gonna suck. Jeez guys, no matter how swag the design, it's not gonna look good unless you've nailed the shape, the cut, the colors, and the quality of the shirt. So to make your life easier, I made a little checklist for you to consider while shopping. Inevitably, because of COVID, it's gonna take a while for your clothes to arrive, so let's time manage and start perfecting and creating our final print. No pressure, but this one's gotta be good. But no pressure, no pressure, no pressure, no pressure. So I've got my recipe for success. Some tea, critical, some music you can't hear. Now I'm ready to focus. Oh, and of course, something to design with. For this step, a phone can work. I'll be using an iPad or even Photoshop on a laptop is good, whatever is your cup of tea. For me, the perfect iPad app to draw with is Sketchbook. It's really easy, you have layers and different textures and all the colors. Or I know other people like to use Procreate if you have some extra cash. And here we go, time lapse. For the first shirt, I specifically wanted a green tee, but with a messy, chic style, yellow background print. I just thought the two colors would look so awesome together, and I love the specific style of the art that I found on Pinterest. So I shook it up a little bit, but tried to keep the same flair. The good thing is, you don't have to be realistic or perfect to create good tees or art. Messy is okay too. The next one, I got inspired by Gucci. When you can't pay $300 for a shirt, you make it, am I right? Instead of painting on some random dude off the internet, I decided to get an image I own that means something to me, but also has a similar color scheme. So I have this one from my last day I was with Lay, picking lemons, and I traced it, making sure to add lots of color to add texture, not afraid for it to be a bit messy and imperfect too. So this is how it came out. Guys, I never said I was a good artist. And by then it's perfect timing, because editing will make it seem like my life is perfectly timed like a movie. Order is in, peeps. And that is the natural smell of weed wafting through the walls of my hallway. Anyway, now it's time for the try-on haul. Wow. That's what you get for buying clothes from the internet. This is actually to be expected if you buy t-shirts online, especially colored. So we're gonna add an extra step in here. What I suggest if your shirts come back too vibrant is giving them a zap in the washing machine 3 times without anything else. The color will come out. Otherwise, Google how to fade a t-shirt and I found some really great solutions. Yeah, nice Yoko, very natural. So that all didn't turn out too bad then. Thank goodness I predicted failure and did a test run. Gotcha. When I was finally happy with the results, grab your shirt, slap it down. P.S. That's an ironing machine. You're gonna need that. Grab your print transfer package, chuck it in the machine, There are instructions here. Use it. Don't take my flaky word on it. Print, cut, pull, slap. Maybe too dramatic? Center, cover, switch on, then iron that baby out. Guess that's it. After 2 minutes, pull the sheet back. Iron over any edges that might still be coming off. After leaving it for 24 hours, as the instructions said, this is how it turned out.